Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Serial, all those sort of things. The guy, but this time in the new world, serial is a good thing. You could be called a serial heartbreaker, that's for sure. The co-founder of FitTalks is a lady of many talents. In fact, she's a lady who started the celebrity rise of many talents, and she started so many talents, by now they've become veterans. So by default, that makes her a veteran celebrity manager. So ladies and please welcome Hansika Chandiramani. Now the veteran is the work she's done. The years are still here, you're right. Hansika, good evening, welcome. These two are the co-founders of FitTalks. So before I call the other people, let's talk a little bit about it. Your journey, guys, has been 1 year. So tell us about this 1 year. How's it been?
It's been a fantastic 1 year, and you know, the reason we're launching another tea is because our first tea has been very successful, very loved. And to take it forward, we decided to come out with the next. So Daily Brew is here. I don't want to praise myself or our team, but we are an Amazon choice product, and Amazon totally recommends you to take our tea because we're doing really well. And yeah, that's about the basics for us.
And the whole thing could not have been possible without one person, Sophie Chaudhary. So kudos to her and her sharing our vision. So yeah.
Both of you, I'm being paid to do something. Just let me do my job, okay? I'm going to call Sophie. Don't take all the money. Alright. Also, I'm going to ask you, Hansika, because this started about a year ago, and that's not the reason why we only launched Daily Brew. Tell us about the success what FitTalks has had over the last year.
Like I mentioned, it's an honor to be an Amazon choice product. We are that, and the sales are doing amazing. Like our previous product was a morning and a night tea, and all our users were like, we want to have only FitTalks, so you have to find something which we can have in the day. And because of the amazing demand and this, people wanting more from us, we've come out with more now.
Fantastic. That's what we're looking for. Something more to add? Lovely. Alright guys and girls, as I told you, Sophie came to convince me later. These are the two co-founders. They are the two elements that come to us at the London School of Music and Dramatic Arts. So she really knows it all. She's been performing all across the world. She's been a VJ, she's been an RJ, she's a presenter, she's an actor, she's a producer. Later on, the lady with many talents all rolled in one. Please welcome Sophie Chaudhary to the stage. So Sophie, we all know that you've been involved with duty, with talking people with fitness. Talk to me about this venture that you into FitTalks.
First of all, thank you so much for that lovely introduction. We're going to have to pay you double now. No. Thank you all so much for being here. This is really special for us because 1 year ago we started our journey with FitTalks. For people who were not there last year when we launched FitTalks, it's an amazing story of how Gaurav and Hansika came to me. Even before they had the name of the product, and they said, all we know is this is what we're planning to do, a detox tea, and all we know is that we want you to be the face of it. And I love the idea so much, I asked if I could become a partner. And together we went on this journey and this venture where it's been incredible, the response has been amazing. I think you could have seen umpteen celebrities posting about FitTalks. Repeat orders like you would not believe, like Hansika mentioned. In fact, this is our publicist told us that a client of ours went into a meeting with Amazon and they actually gave FitTalks as an example of one of the best new products and best new businesses, which is a huge deal because we've done it on a very small scale just ourselves. But to get that kind of success and recognition is amazing. So what Hansika said was right. FitTalks is a detox tea, which was a 30-day program. But we are somebody who cannot get through the day without tea. be it your regular tea, as you said, or be it cups of herbal or green tea. And we wanted to kind of up the ante and come up with something that's even better. The best possible caffeine-free herbal tea that tastes incredible, that's just easily available, that's something which is from the Fitox family, so you know in terms of quality, it's never going to be compromised. So it tastes great, it's good for you, it's great for everything from your digestion to your gut health to help you with bloating. In fact, the amazing thing is when we were coming up with this idea, we first thought about being 2-to-1 women outnumbering Gaurav. We were like, maybe we need to come up with a tea for women. And that's really where we started with the idea. Something that helps with the bloating and a little bit of cramping, and just makes you feel better and makes you glow. And then we had a little bit of a protest from Gaurav and all the other boys in the team saying that, hang on a minute, boys love to drink things like green tea or herbal tea or peppermint tea as well, and why can't guys also have this? So we worked on the formula a bit, and that's how we came up with the name Daily Brew. It's an anytime tea. It's a tea you can have morning, noon, or night throughout the day. But it's called Daily Brew because it's literally something you can have all day, every day. And so it's something we're really proud of. It's incredibly affordable, and hopefully it will become a part of everybody's daily life. That's the whole idea.
Thank you, Sophie. I was going to ask you about the inspiration, but you already spoke about that. That sounded like a plug. Now I am going to actually test your knowledge. Tell me, how different is Daily Brew from Fitox?
So of course, now the whole idea of Fitox is that it's an Ayurvedic detox tea. It's a 30-day program which really is about eliminating toxins. If you follow the diet that we give with it, even remotely follow it, you will drop kilos. The whole idea of Fitox was literally a detox tea. This isn't so much a detox tea. This is definitely a tea which will help you with your bloating and your cramping, and give you better good gut health, with your digestion. It will help with all of those things. But of course, this is a tea you can drink many times through the day, just like you would with another herbal tea. And this is also caffeine-free. That's the major difference. Fitox being a 30-day program and this being an everyday, anytime tea. And of course, Fitox had some 21 Ayurvedic ingredients. This one has about 6, if I'm right. And so on that level, it's different. And that's also one of the reasons that makes it easier to drink all the time and also more fun.
If I didn't say that before, that you're a beauty with brains, I've got to say it now. Thank you so very much. Talking about beauties, we have yet another beauty who's going to join us on stage. You know her very well, ladies and gentlemen. She's been the Miss India, she's been Miss Asia Pacific, she's been an actor. Her first film, debut film was हम आपके दिल में रहते हैं और तब से हम आपके दिल में बसी रही है अभी तक. She's still with us here. She's doing great, wonderful jobs, and she's a very humane person. She's been selected by the United Nations to be the ambassador, the Environmental World Ambassador. So without further ado, ladies and please welcome the one and only, the girl from Hyderabad who's made Hyderabad so very famous, India so very famous, and all the Asia Pacific. Tia Mirza, ladies and gentlemen. Good to see you. So Dia, good evening and welcome to this wine tasting that we have here today. Oh, cheers, as Gaurav says. So tell me, what do you know about, what have you heard about Fitox and Daily Brew?
Good afternoon. It's really good to be here, and especially because this is Sophie's baby, and I think it's extremely important for individuals to carry their life philosophy forward, and I think Sophie's found her calling in uniting with Fitox and bringing it to all of us, because if there is anyone I know who really cares about health and wellness, it's Sophie. And she's really a living embodiment of that understanding and philosophy. बहुत डांट पड़ती है मुझे सोफी से कि ये क्या कर रही हो, वो क्या कर रही हो. But when Fitox came along, I have to admit that I really enjoyed drinking it, and I think it's contributed very positively to my life and my lifestyle. And I think this Daily Brew is going to make things a little more exciting and easier, and I think we'll be sipping Daily Brew instead of other brews for a while to come. But I'm really proud, as her friend, and I'm very, very happy to be here. Thank you for having me.
I just want to say, when it comes to, we actually really wanted Dia to be there for the main Fitox launch because she's someone who I associate with all things natural, beautiful, even though she can be a little naughty sometimes, but everything about her is good for you. She's someone who, according to me, radiates positivity inside out. So we wanted her, and at that time she was traveling. So the minute we spoke about the Daily Brew launch, I cannot imagine a more special, the more correct person to launch something like this, because Dia stands for everything that is to do with natural, that is to do with the environment, that is to do with goodness. And you can see that. So it means a lot to me that she's here. जहाँ तक डांट का सवाल है वो शायद बाद में हम आपको बताएंगे किस किन चीज़ों पे काम करती है. But yeah, I do hope, like Dia said, the Daily Brew becomes a part of everyone's daily routine. Yeah, that's about it.
comprised of?
Those don't exist. No, they exist. Okay, at home. Yeah. There's two. Sorry guys, we had a bit of a sound issue, so we're short on mics, but hopefully we can all manage.
My craziest binge. So yeah, I definitely do believe in cheating. I must tell you that one of the best cooks in this country is Dia Mirza. She is an absolute incredible cook when it comes to Hyderabadi food, especially. Her biryani and her halim is to die for. But apart from that, her husband Sahil is also an incredible cook, and I just want to tell you that when I sent you Fitox, he called me and he said, she doesn't need it, I need it. But they are incredible cooks, so if it ever means going to their house, that's a binge. The other binge is my dear friend, Chef Kelvin Chung, and those very disastrous pancakes, which I could eat many, many, many of. So those are my crazy binges. When I binge, I try not to binge all day. I try to binge on one meal. But late at night, if I'm having one of those days, I will not lie, I have a little bit of vanilla ice cream and some dark chocolate, and that's my sin. No, it's true. It's true. A little bit of vanilla ice cream and some 85% dark cocoa chocolate, and that is my cheat. But beyond that, no. If I get fat, it's usually Dia's fault.
I have to tell you all, I can't tell you how beautiful you're all looking right now. There's this gorgeous golden light on all of you, and you look so wonderful. आप भी बड़े सुंदर लग रहे हो.
Next question. Yes.
Can you get a mic? Can you get the mic so you can answer? People can hear your questions, sir, because they miss out. With this daily routine, what is that?
Me personally? I'm so sorry to mention this.
Thank you for the question, sir. With this daily brew tea, so for me, it's a lot of people drink herbal tea. I mean, thus far people have been drinking green tea, which is, you know, everyone thinks that rather than drinking regular chai, green tea will make them feel a bit healthy, and let's have that. But trust me, once you taste this, you will realize this is so much better for you. The taste is better, the contents are so much better. And what I would personally snack with it is, I like makhanas roasted. I like dry fruit. Those are the kind of things that I snack on. Not just because I think it gives you good energy, I think it's great for you. And I think it's something that we must all include in our diet. Dry fruit is a great thing. So that's what I would usually snack on it with. If you're in the mood to watch a movie at home and you're watching your favorite TV show, then yeah, maybe some popcorn, but not caramel and not very heavily salted. But apna desi jo hai, makhana, why do we underestimate it? It's the best thing with a little bit of curry patta and some masala.
I've discovered a new makhana recipe that I love and I have to share it with you. So a great snack to have with daily brew would be makhana cooked with gur and til, you know, slightly sauteed with gur and til. And it's better than any pat of popcorn, caramelized popcorn you've ever had. It's delicious. Any more questions?
Yes.
From 105 kg I came to 85 kg.
Wow. Are you serious?
Yeah, I wrote my job in that. You can go to the it will work out or looks different.
Okay, so the thing with Fitox is, thank you. You're going to lose calories by the end of this.
So the thing with Fitox is the reason we made it was to help people shift weight, especially stubborn weight. Our bodies, we live in such toxic times, and the kind of lifestyle and the diets that we have, sometimes your body just gets clogged up, it gets tired, your metabolic rate slows down. And the whole idea of Fitox was to give you that boost and to pump it up and to cleanse out your system, which is why people felt more energy, they felt better, they felt good gut health, they just felt better in general. I mean, I had calls from some really well-known people, who I don't want to name, who are actually telling me things like, you know, we've actually been suffering and 1 week of this and my whole system feels clean. And you know, that's what Fitox was. Daily Brew is going to help you with your digestion, it will help you with your bloating, but it's not something that's going to help you lose weight unless you replace it with your meathi wali chai. Now, if you start having Daily Brew instead of your masala chai, cutting chai with tons of chini, then yes, you will lose weight because you cut out all your sugar. That's how it will help you. But Daily Brew by itself is not for weight loss. It's just meant for a better living, better lifestyle, and a better replacement to all the other herbal teas that are out.
And it's very sweet, naturally.
So, when we were even doing Fitox, the really important thing for us is that everything should taste good. लोगों को लगता है कि healthy चीजों का taste बहुत खराब होता है. But we're people who are foodies and we wanted everything to taste good. So even with Daily Brew, when you sip it, you'll get that little sweet afterkick. So you won't even feel like you need the sugar. Yeah.
Also help your sweet cravings.
Yeah, your sweet cravings. And now with this good makhana recipe, you'll never have sweet cravings again.
That is amazing. Wow. Wow. That is amazing. Thank you.
You should post it on Instagram.
Write it down.
Coffee mag market. Probably coffee is running much more big bucks than tea is. How difficult or easy have you found it to make a taste test?
I mean, everybody, I mean, a lot of people say they love coffee and caffeine, but you are forgetting India is a tea drinking nation. We all love our chai. So it's not that difficult. It's just the matter of creating awareness about the product, about, and then everybody, you know, उसमें है, cinnamon है, जो feeling जो आपको चाय पी के आती है, you know, वो है. Plus it's not that difficult to convince Indians to drink tea. We're just all, you know, we're not telling you to stop drinking tea. We're just getting you a healthier tea. So it's not that difficult, right?
Also, I want to say,
Until now, people have always thought that coffee is sexier, but having looked at this dais, clearly tea is way sexier. Much sexier option.
No caffeine.
Any more questions? Fun fact. Yeah, okay, all right. we'll take up the question.
Sophie and Dear, both of you just come from the entertainment industry, where basically people meet in the parties, on the drinks and all that. But was it that the intellectual part of the tea you just made up to meet over here? Is it, as gentleman mentioned about Raghuram Rajan and there is the fashion these days, the chai wala is the PM and chai pe charcha is the fashion of the rage of the day these days?
No, this is not chai pe charcha, this is chai ka charcha.
Thank you, that's what I was gonna say. नहीं, आपका मतलब ये कि हम थोड़ा इंटेलिजेंट और स्मार्ट होने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, तो शायद इसलिए हम चाय के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. नहीं, जैसे कि हंसिका ने कहा कि चाय तो हिंदुस्तान की सबसे पुरानी चीज़ है. I think everything else came much later. And I think, yeah, I think drinking tea definitely gives you a better state of mind than drinking alcohol anyway.
And we socialize over tea as well.
Yes. Like we're having a tea party right now.
Yeah, absolutely.
Good?
Done?
I think so. I think we have there's one more thing that you know. I think you had something that you had.
Well, actually, I agree with you, in a way, because we wonder whether people are drinking tea now because it's an accepted thing. It's a thing to do, it's a step up. These beautiful people have spoken about tea and how they use tea as a regular thing, and you can still be beautiful and sexy with tea. They're living examples of it, right? But is it all that we see? Are they only so beautiful and so good? Are they always also sweet? We'll find out right now. So now we're going to do what we're going to do. What you normally do with the #1 drink in the world, which is the #1 most consumed beverage in the world, guys.
Tea.
That's these people. I'm asking you guys.
It's tea. I thought it was water.
Which is? You're absolutely right. The #1 consumed beverage in the world is water. How many people thought wine? You need to drink some tea. All right. Come on up, guys. Now I'm going to. Pardon?
There's no tea without water.
Yeah, there's no tea without water. Absolutely. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask them a few questions, and if they have done that, they're going to take a shot. Do we have the wine ready? Okay, this is very special. This is very special for the day. This is Daily Brew. All right, now questions are going to come to both of you. I'm not really interested in Gaurav's life. Okay, now you know how it works, right? Yeah. So, all right, okay. Okay, I'm going to ask you both a question. If you're guilty, drink up. All right? No. All right. Yes, of course, the audience is also being served with this drink, and if it's coming around, feel free to chat one. All right, thank you. Which is very enthusiastic. That's very nice. All right, okay. Okay, so guys, are you ready? You both are very fit, good-looking, beautiful. I'm sure you have a very tough physical regime. Yes or no? Yes. Don't drink as yet. Okay. Now, you go to a gym, you see people. Have you ever seen someone who looks so hot and so good that you were, tempted and you do go and do an extra rep, a few extra exercises?
I'm trained by Yasmin Karachiwala. Deepika Padukone and Katrina Kaif live in that gym. So clearly I'm forever motivated after looking at Deepika and Katrina. So yeah, I have no choice but to.
Yeah. I have to say that my day starts with motivation because, inadvertently I end up going to Instagram. And all I have to do is see Malaika and Sophie. And that's it. Shilpa. And you're like, oh my dear God, I have to hit the gym.
We'll have another 10 of those times.
Speaking of motivation, there's this guy who kept his little overweight wife waiting, and so why do that? I just like his good. She's always motivating.
This ain't going down.
This ain't going down well. Yes, I'll have to take a couple of extra shots. The next one. Yes, this should be a no-brainer for you guys. Has anyone hit on you while you guys are working out? What? What? You gotta be true.
No one's hit on you? Are you sure?
You work in a gym where everybody's blind?
Abroad, you know.
There must be a gym where everybody's
This
blind.
never happened in the gym.
Oh, it never happened. Alright, keep on holding to that, alright? Okay, now let's get intellectual, because we always keep saying the girls are not only beautiful but also very intelligent.
Say nice.
She's just being a little sucky because nobody can understand it, even me. So
Go ahead.
alright. They say you don't judge a book by its cover, but ladies, any book that you would love to judge by its cover? Can you name it?
Are you drinking? We don't have to drink, please. Yeah, there's many that you want us to name?
If you could.
Don't judge a book by its cover, but a cover I would love to judge is Channing Tatum, George Clooney, Bradley Cooper. Yeah, those three for me.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just drinking. This is so good, by the way. Okay, good. That needed to come out. That was important.
Thank you. Alright, back to the glasses?
Yes.
Yeah, what's yours?
Yes, I'm getting it.
Alright, fantastic, okay. Now this is pretty serious, alright? Have you ever invited someone over for a cup of tea to introduce him or her to your family? This is from the movie South and Yash. What do you, Sophie?
The tea bombed out. I'm still waiting.
I'm still waiting to call someone for chat. No, I haven't called someone for chat. I don't think so.
Now that you have daily brew, it's time to call someone.
Yeah, I'm
Alright.
loving this.
Okay, now have you guys ever been on a tea date that ended up with, I was going to say a snack, but let's just say wine or something. Have you guys ever been on a tea date that ended up with, I was going to say breakfast, but we'll keep it at wine.
We won't say it.
Alright. Okay, and this is for all the guys who work out in gyms and help these beautiful women stay fit and in shape. They need some inspiration too. So guys, have you ever had a crush on your trainer?
No. Not at all.
Well, that's no joke option for me.
Karachiwala will be very upset, but no, I've not got a crush on her.
Alright, okay. Okay guys, do this.
I'm not going to talk about my trainers.
I want to ask one question to all my lovely photographers and press people who are here. Have you ever taken a selfie while in the gym and posted it? With your अपने photographers ने किया है कभी? आप सिर्फ हमारी लेते हो photos? Amazing. Who's taken it? Veera, you've done it. Veera, you've done it. You 100% have taken a picture of yourself in a locker room and posted
Get a
it.
shot.
You never take a picture.
Okay, they're taking a picture today.
Yeah, we're taking selfies. Okay, tell me one other thing, Veera. Have you ever planned to go to the gym but then instead gone out and chill with your friends instead? You make an effort to go to the gym? So these captions, the inspiration is coming while you're on the treadmill. You're fab. You're fantastic. Can we give you a shot?
Now?
Is that it? Did you ask us everything?
I've asked everything. I just want to ask, does anybody in the audience want to ask one last question to these two beautiful ladies? Your chance starts now, 30 seconds, I'm getting the mic across. Again, your name
Thank you.
and what you do.
Why do you think I was just knocking them?
Hello ladies.
Hi.
My name is Garima Mandaria and right now I'm soon going to start my fashion blog. And I'm also into fashion styling as well. I just wanted to know from you guys, since you guys look so fit and fine, I want to know which of your co-stars have the fittest bodies.
Co-stars? Lots.
Apart from each other.
I think practically everyone. Which year was She's worked with Saif, Salman,
I'll get the mic to you guys.
Everyone I've worked with has been really fit. I think the only person who is always very, very like constantly chased. Can I take his name? Of course. Was Maddie. Like Maddie would be the only one who everybody would be like, come on, hit the gym. But all the other people I've worked with have been really fit. The women and men. And actually the person who got me into fitness was Salman. He would make sure we all worked out together every day, so we would all be like one big happy family hitting the gym post back up. That's where it all started.
Yeah, he's done that for a lot of people. I think for me, my fittest...
In fact, my trainer went to start training Salman, and now he trains all the amazing young talent in the industry. His name is Rakesh Udiyar. He was the one who was actually responsible for a transformation in my life. Big transformation.
You were gorgeous even when you won Miss India.
Yeah, but I was just a lucky 20. Like, I was a lucky early 20-year-old. You know how when you're in your early 20s, you're skinny. And then you hit 30 and your metabolic rate nosedives. And then you have to really start doing more to take care of your body.
She's beautiful as ever. For me, my male co-stars, yeah, I think Dia's right. Everyone's very conscious, but for me, it would be Akshay Kumar and John Abraham. I think super fit and super inspiring.
I'm just drinking.
Yeah. And yeah, now that we're done, we'll just be drinking for the rest of the afternoon, I think.
बहुत टेस्टी चाय है. डेली ब्रू इज़ समथिंग दैट आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू बी एडिक्टेड टू. ये ऐसी चाय है जो आप खाने के बाद खा सकते हैं. यूजुअली हम लोग ग्रीन टी पीते हैं. आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ हेल्दियर रिप्लेसमेंट टू इट एंड आई लव्ड द फ्लेवर ऑफ इट. तो मैं तो ये रोज़ पीने वाली हूँ.
आपसे जो जानना चाहेंगे चाय के बारे में, किस तरह की चाय है?
जी, जैसे कि हमने कहा था कि पिछले साल हमने फिटॉक्स लॉन्च किया था, जो कि एक आयुर्वेदिक डिटॉक्स टी थी जो लोगों को वेट कम करने में और क्लेंजिंग में बहुत हेल्प कर रही थी. लेकिन हमको ऐसा लगा, हमारी जो रिस्पांस था, लोग ऐसी चाय चाहते थे जो वो रोज़ पी सकें, जो ईजिली कभी भी किसी वक्त पी सकें. तो इसलिए हमने डेली ब्रू पे बहुत मेहनत की. इट्स डेफिनेटली अ बेटर रिप्लेसमेंट टू ऑल योर रेगुलर टीज़ एंड योर हर्बल टीज़ एंड योर ग्रीन टीज़. इसका टेस्ट उससे बहुत बेहतर है. इट्स बेटर फॉर यू हेल्थ वाइज एंड वेरी ईजिली अवेलेबल. तो आई होप सब लोग डेली ब्रू ज़रूर ट्राई करेंगे एंड आई होप दे एंजॉय.
आपको कैसे लगी?
बहुत अच्छी. ओके, अगर पर्सनली अगर आपकी अगर बात करें तो आप चाय पीना कितना पसंद करती हैं?
मैं चाय तो पीती हूँ. आई मीन स्पेशली अगर कैफीन फ्री चाय हो तो और भी अच्छा लगता है. मेरी सुबह चाय से ही शुरू होती है. मैं शाम की भी चाय पीती हूँ, कभी कभी मील के बाद भी चाय पी लेती हूँ. तो आई थिंक दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ हेल्दियर रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ ड्रिंकिंग रेगुलर टी. एनीथिंग एल्स?
ने अभी एक कमेंट किया है कि विराट कोहली सबसे बुरे बर्ताव वाले प्लेयर है. उसका क्या कहना है?
हाँ जी,
विराट कोहली जो है सबसे बुरे
मुझे ऑनेस्टली पर्सनली आई थिंक विराट कोहली बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. एंड आई थिंक ही इज़ गॉट इनक्रेडिबल कैरेक्टर एंड पर्सनैलिटी एंड ही इज़ लेड द इंडियन टीम मैग्निफिसेंटली. I don't agree with anybody who says that he doesn't have The right attitude. I think he's got a solid attitude.
जी मैं वही कहना चाहूँगी, मैं विराट को काफ़ी सालों से जानती हूँ, जब वो RCB से उन्होंने शुरुआत की थी, एंड ही इज़ एन एक्सट्रीमली फोकस्ड पैशनेट इंडिविजुअल. वो इसीलिए पैशनेट है बिकॉज ही रियली केयर्स अबाउट हिज कंट्री, ही रियली केयर्स अबाउट हिज गेम. आई थिंक ही इज़ बिन अ फैंटास्टिक लीडर, और उन्होंने तो अभी शुरुआत की है, एंड ही इज़ ऑलरेडी अचीव सो मच. आई थिंक ही इज़ गोना अचीव मच मोर, एंड आई थिंक वी शुड बी एनकरेजिंग पीपल लाइक दैट. आई थिंक इट्स गुड टू हैव सम पैशन आउट ऑन द फील्ड.
Thank you.
ओके, देसी के साथ में लास्टली अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में अगर आप कुछ बताना चाहें, जिस तरीके से हमें रिसेंटली आपको संजीव में.
आज हम सिर्फ डेली ब्रू के बारे में बात करेंगे, अगली बार हम दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट्स की बात करेंगे. ठीक है, थैंक यू. थैंक यू.
आपके सवाल, आए दिन मार्केट में नई हर टाइप की चाय आ रही है, इस चाय में क्या डिफरेंट मिलेगा?
अरे अभी तो सब कुछ पता है आपको. Well, it has the goodness of Ayurveda, and I'm speaking about it like I've made the tea. You should be talking about it, Sophie.
But listen, it has, like Dia said, it has the goodness of Ayurveda. It's caffeine free. It's got cinnamon, lemongrass, lemon peel, rose hip, rose petals, and spearmint. These are all things which are really good for your digestion, to control bloating, to help with your metabolism, to make you feel good. और ये एक ऐसी चाय है जिसका हमने हैशटैग दिया है एनी टाइम टी, क्योंकि ये चाय आप कभी भी पी सकते हैं, डेली, थ्रू द डे, सुबह, रात, शाम को, whenever you feel like it. So yeah, it's definitely different and better tasting to all the other herbal teas out there on the market.
Yeah, I think it's an amazing flavor.
Yeah,
it
the
tastes
flavor is
really good.
Yeah.
ओके, सो भी क्या प्राइस होगी इसकी, और
Actually, it's super reasonable. The exact price will be with my partner Gaurav, but if I'm right, I think the 25 tea bags will be in the 450 range. And we'll do a smaller packet also for 10 tea bags. और हमें corporate से already बहुत अच्छा response आ रहा है, तो we're definitely going to be sending it out to companies. So it's easy, it's affordable. लोग इतना ही खर्चते हैं on regular green teas. And this is tea bag tea. आप ये देखेंगे कि market में बहुत कम ऐसी tea bag teas मिलती हैं which taste great. So it's easy for people who are working. And one tea bag, so you can easily make 2 cups. And that's the best thing. So you can refill your cup a couple of times, and that's the best thing. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.